Hey guys, Cody here for another video. Just got back from town. Well, I'm on my way to the house right now. So I got a pizza. And I was just thinking probably I might go squirrel hunting this evening. Check my trail camera while I'm at it. Because I put my trail camera in a real good spot. Deer tracks everywhere. It's like in a big intersection where deer come through. So yeah, I'm gonna head on to the house, eat a bite, and we'll see you up there. Alright guys, so we're up here where the trail camera is. It's on top of that hill. I got my 410 brake barrel with me. And I might see a couple of squirrels, so who knows. And I'll see you whenever we get up there to the camera. Okay, so we just got up here to the camera, and let's see if there's anything on here. There's me. That's all it called, is just me. You gotta be kidding. Nope, it's not kidding. I put it in a good spot, and I don't see no deer. So, well, let's just finish squirrel hunting. I'm going to take the camera somewhere else. Okay, so I just seen a squirrel, and I think I missed it. He was up here, and I shot, and I think I missed, and I think he ran over into this tree. Well, if I did hit him, I better get to looking. If I didn't hit him, I'm going to sit right here. Alright guys, so it's been a little while since I missed a squirrel. I'm up here at this one place on the ridge line. And me and Andrew always have to look up here. So I just think out here I'm going to walk around for a little bit and hopefully I'll get something. See you in a few minutes. Alright guys, so I just got back. Set up my trail camera somewhere else. Missed that one squirrel. And other than that, didn't have no luck. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment, subscribe, really helps us out a lot. Plus it lets you know whenever we upload a new video. And yeah, God bless. See you next time.